Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix you require permission from system to make changes to this folder in Windows 11 PC or laptops. You just need to follow me. So firstly, right click on that folder, click on show more options, click on properties. Here you will get a security tab over here, so click on that. Now click on edit. Now here click on add. After that, type over here manually everyone. After that, click on check names. Now click on OK, and as you can see, everyone is showing over here. Now give all permission to this everyone user, and after that click on apply. Click on OK, then OK, and after that your problem will be fixed. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.